Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see ETL introduction. So let us see it with real-time example. So let's say I have a friend. Let's say one of my friend go to America. He have balance in Indian currency, that is rupees. Now he is expecting to convert this Indian currency to dollars, that is American currency. Now the question is how to do this. For this, he requires some application. Let's say in online, he found a bank platform. This is a bank platform. You can assume like that, where it can convert rupees to American currency, that is dollars, Indian currency to American currency. So where it provides this conversion from rupees to dollars facility with some money. So to analyze ETL, to analyze ETL, let us see from bank point of view. That is, first they need to extract or receive. They need to extract or receive the rupees currency, right? Yes. And then after extraction of rupees, they need to transform that extracted currency to dollars, right? Yes, their transformation is required. Then after transforming, they need to load the currency back to user account, right? Yes. So they need to extract, they need to transform, and they need to load. This whole process of extracting, transforming, and loading, in short, we call it as ETL job. What is that? ETL job. Who will take care of it? These ETL jobs will take care by data engineers. So you can see I have written important points here. So I have explained that. Now let us see the real-time scenario. Due to software software as service model, due to cloud software as service model, we have multiple data. We have data available in multiple streams in many formats. So we may need to collect the data from multiple sources, right? Yes, we need to collect the data from multiple sources and transformation of multiple formats to specify a single format is required. Yes, it is also required. And transformed single format data before loading into the data. Before loading, what I need to again do is we need to again integrate that data. So what we are doing, due to this software as service model in cloud, it produces multiple services, right? Yes. So due to that, we have data available in many streams, in many formats. So we may need to collect data from multiple sources and transformation of multiple formats to specific format and transformed single format data, and before loading that data. So here we need to extract and transform this data from multiple sources. Before loading this data, we need to again integrate that data, right? Yes. So in AWS, we have one of the example service to perform this extraction, transformation, and loading. So what is that service, sir? That service is AWS Glue. That service is AWS Glue.